Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you how to make this face mask due to the crisis of coronavirus, so I decided to make this face mask. Without further ado, these are the materials I'm using. I used bamboo cotton yarn, which is very soft. This is from Lazada. And crochet, yarn needle, a pair of scissors. This is also from Lazada, a 4.0mm crochet hook, paper clip for our marker. This is already used surgical mask, but I already disinfected it with alcohol and warm water. Then this a piece of cloth, cotton. This is cotton. Let's begin our project. I'm so excited. To begin with, let us make a slip knot. Then make 19 total of chains. So this is the base of our face mask. 19 chains. This is the second round of our face mask of our project. Yeah. Yan, ganito kahaba. So let's begin with the third round. Only use single crochet all throughout. Single crochet lang until matapos siya. So ayan. Ganyan lang ang single crochet. Do not yarn over, because when you yarn over, it will become double crochet. Since this is a face mask, that is why we only use single crochet, so that the tiny twinny viruses there will penetrate inside if we will use the double crochet, because it has larger holes. Okay, continue lang what you're doing. Just be patient and be persevere. Just continue until 6 in a row. At the center of the project, so let's put the mark. Dito tayo mag-increase sa ating mark para lalaki ang ating face mask. Okay, single chain 1, single crochet, alright, continue what you're doing. Alam nyo guys, itong pag-crochet, it takes patience, perseverance. Okay, andito na tayo sa ating pangatlong round ng pag-increase. Nakita nyo. So, sa mark na yan, ayan, first round natin sa pag-increase, tapos single crochet na, tapos the next round, sa pangalawang round na increase, sa isang space, mag single crochet na tayo ng 3 beses sa isang space lang. Let's put the mark again para pag natin, alam natin kung saan tayo mag-increase. Pasensya na sa video na ginawa kasi maingay talaga. Malapit lang kasi yung kapitbahay namin. Ingay-ingay. Kanina pa nag-ano. So, single crochet, continue. And just follow the instruction. Okay, tingnan natin. Let's fold it. And let us see if nag-increase ba siya. Lumaki ba siya. Ayan. Alright. Ganun siya. Okay, ayan. Lumaki nga siya. Dahil nga nag-increase tayo, let's continue what we're doing. So, dito sa space na ito, single crochet lang. Tapos sa may mark. Okay. Now, let's continue. Single crochet. Sa increasing natin, let's do this for 10 rounds. Okay, isang round for increasing, then next round is continue lang single crochet, then next repeat increasing, then until matapos natin ang 10 rounds for increasing, for this increasing process. So, for increasing, sa isang space, let's do for 3 single crochet. Sa ating last na increasing, maging 27 stitches tayo. 27 stitches. So, ayan. From that side, 27. So, 13. Tapos, pang 14, mag-mark na tayo. Ayan. Continue. Single crochet. If tapos ka na sa round na ito, for the last round of increasing, so, magiging 27 stitches all in all na. Dapat bilangin para hindi tayo malito sa ating ginagawa. Ayan, dapat may so, at the end of this, mga ilang stitches na lang, end na tayo sa ating increasing. Okay, so ayan na. Single, chain 1. Alright. So, ganyan ang itsura ng ating increasing na process. Okay. Pagkatapos nito, dahil 27 na nga, there are 27 stitches all in all. Ito yung end ng ating, bilangin na natin ang ating single crochet na kinontinue natin mula sa 27 stitches. Okay, there are 10 rounds of puro single crochet lang for 27 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, pang 14, we have to mark. So, kasi, we will start our decreasing na. Kailangan na natin i-decrease para liliit yung natin, para pareho dun sa isang dulo ng ating mask. Single crochet pa din. Ayan, single crochet lang. Continue to single crochet. Kung beginner ka sa paggawa ng crochet, so medyo matagalan talaga. Pero kung naman, pro ka naman, ano mo lang ito. This is very easy to follow. Ayan. So, mag-decrease na tayo on the space na may mark. Ayan, may mark dyan. So, okay, may tatlo siya, isa, tatlo. So, yung tatlo na yan, we have to tanggalin muna natin to. So, we have to insert the hook in the space. Yeah, do not pull through yet. Alright, insert the hook. Ayan, magiging 4 na yarn ang nasa hook. Then, pull through. Alright. Part na ito, tapos na tayong decreasing. You have to make 10 decreasing, just like when you increase the stitches. So, when you decrease the stitches, stop tayo for 10th round. So, magiging 19 stitches na lang yung natira. So, 19 stitches na natira, dapat, gagawa tayo ng 6 rounds of puro single crochet. Okay. Single crochet lang tayo. Ayan. Single crochet for 6 rounds. All throughout na hanggang matapos siya. Ayan. So, ganyan ang itsura ng ating decreasing. Tapos, sa natirang 19 stitches, okay, napulol. So, continue lang tayo until 6th round of puro single crochet. Ay, naku. Yung ko talaga, mga pamangkin kong maiingay. Oh my goodness. Just bear with my background kasi maraming tao dito sa bahay. Oh, ayan na. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Kulang pa to ng mga ilang rounds of puro single crochet. Alright. Single crochet again. Let's continue for our 6th round of single crochet. So ito na ang pang last na single crochet natin. Okay. Ay, nagpalpitate na naman ako. So, naging ganyan na siya. Yan. Ganyan na yung face mask natin. Okay. Here na sa ating pinakadulo. Yan. Next step na gagawin is to make ganyan ang itsura ng ating So, next step na gagawin is to make 25 chains. This is for our ears. Pero depende sa inyo. Dapat sukat nyo sa face nyo kung gaano kahaba yung gagawin nyo na chain. So, ganyan. Sa akin kasi, dahil malaki mukha ko, kailangan ko ng 25 chains para sa ear. Para kasya-kasya talaga. Yan. Ang gagawin natin sa round na ito, dito sa gilid, lagyan natin ng single crochet, chain 1, tapos single crochet sa bawat space. Ayan, single crochet lang. Continue to single crochet until matapos siya doon sa other side of the mask. Ganyan. Diyan sa dulo. Continue to single crochet lang. They're very maingay talaga. Saba kay sila as in. Ayan, 25 chains natin. So, sa other side is we have to slip stitch. Ayan, slip stitch and chain 1 to lock it. Okay. Then, same thing to do. Yeah, we have to single crochet. Single crochet hanggang dun sa dulo ng ating mask. Atong face mask. So, ito malapit na ito matapos. Yun lang. Continue single crochet. Okay. Nasa dulo na tayo nang walang hanggan. Okay. Ayan. So this is the end of the mask. Make 25 chains again. Okay. Slip stitch na tayo dahil tapos na ating 25 chains na para sa ating ears. Ayan, chain 1. And then cut the yarn. I-cut natin and pull through to lock our project. So magiging ganyan na siya. Later on, i-stitch natin with the crochet, the yarn needle. So, ganyan ang itsura ng ating project na face mask, crocheted face mask. Now, cut na natin ang ating cloth for our lining. And now we are done cutting our lining, so all we have to do is to hand sew our dart for our lining in order to fit it on our face mask. So we have to sew the dart. Now we have to sew our lining under our face mask. And now we're done sewing our lining, so we will get our face mask, a surgical mask. This is optional. You can either use tissue paper, then insert it inside the lining so that this will serve as your filter. Okay, filter from virus or filter from dust. And that will be all for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and please click the notification bell below, and then hope you enjoy watching the video. Hope you enjoy watching the tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.